Hi children, Namaste. Do you remember me? Yes, your Hindi teacher. Are you ready for? Are you ready? No. Yes. What we learned the last class? I gave some homework. That everybody did it. Did it that homework? Everybody. Yes, that word and word meaning study and symbols also I gave. No. Studied everybody. That you study. Very good. Okay. Then first we can write that symbols again. Okay. Every day we want to rewind that symbols. Then only you study very well. Okay. First one, Q plus A. What is the mean? What is that? Q plus A. Answer is Q. Understood? Then next one, Q plus A. How can write Q plus A? Yes. Very good. Ka. Then next, one more symbol we study, no? Q plus E. What is Q plus E? Key. All of you understood? These symbols everybody know? Don't forget this one. Okay. Yes, this everybody know. And that meaning and words and meaning also study. Everybody studied, no? Yes. Then we are going to start now. I will give some exercises. Okay. In your textbook have these works. We can write on the board. Listen here. I will write. Question. पहले वर्ण पर ई की मात्रा लगाए. मात्रा लगाए. पहले वर्ण पर ई की मात्रा लगाए. What is the meaning? Put E matra on the first letter. Put E matra on the first letter. Understood? What is the question? पहले वर्ण पर E की मात्रा लगाए. Put E matra on the first letter. Understood? Yes, you want to put E symbol. Okay, some words I given. Without symbol I give. First word is then. Then this word you study, no? In this chapter have these words. Then. One symbol is missing. In this word one symbol is missing. Then. What is the correct word? Anybody know the correct word? Then. Correct word is din. Got it? Din. This E symbol is missing here. Put E matra on the first letter. We want to put E matra on the first letter. Here first letter da. Then we want to put E matra on the first letter. Then din. Got it? Yes. Then second one. Read this word. What is this word? Cha and tra. How can make put E symbol? Chatra. Correct word what? Correct word is chitra. Okay. The next one. Lag. Lag. La and gha is equal to lag. One symbol is missing. What is the correct symbol? Say that word. Lig. Understood? How that make? Then next one is Sir. Sir. Correct answer what? Sir. Correct answer. Sir. Understood? Yes. And here have tucket. Tucket. Correct word say. Put a symbol and say the word. Tucket. Yes. Very good. Ticket. Got the answer? Yes. The next one. Katab. Katab. Correct word is kitab. Kitab. Kitab means book. The next word is mattai. Mattai. What is the correct word? Mattai. Correct word is mithai. Okay. Then Haran. Haran. What is the correct word? Put a symbol and say correct word. Haran. Word is Hiran. Got the answer? We can read once more. Then. Din. Chatra. Chitra. Lag. Lig. Sar. Sir. Tucket. Ticket. Katab. Kitab. Mathai. Mithai. Haran. Hiran. Understood these words? How can make E symbol and make words? That all of you understood? Yes. Then, tin, chat, chitra, lak, lig, sir, sir, tucket, ticket, katab, kitab, mathai, mithai, haran, hiran. Okay, this write in your notebook. Okay, these words write in your notebook and study how can make E symbol. Okay, and next one more work is there. One more work is there in your textbook. I will show you. Here. Did you see this one? Here have one more work. Match the following. That we can write. Okay. Now I will write on the board. Question is, match the following. Here have pictures. Okay. I will write that pictures English word. Okay. Picture is, first one is postman. Then second one, book. Then deer. Then bird. Okay. Here I can write chidiya. You want to match it this. Are you ready? Chidiya, hiran, takia, and kitab. Got the answer? No? Everybody? These full words we studied already. First one, postman, book, deer, bird. Then this side, chidiya, hiran, takia, kitab. Postman. Did you see in Hindi postman here? Did you see? Which word is postman Hindi word? चिड़िया, हिरण, तकिया, किताब. Postman, तकिया. Understood? Then what is book? Here how any book word? चिड़िया, हिरण, किताब. What is book Hindi word? किताब. Very good. किताब. Here deer. Deer is here चिड़िया and हिरण. What is deer? Deer, hiran. Got? Bird. Bird is chidiya. Got the answer? Understood? Postman, takiya. Book, kitab. Deer, hiran. Bird, chidiya. Okay. Once more read. Postman, takiya. Book, kitab. Deer, hiran. Bird, chidiya. Understood? This also write in your notebook and study. Ready? Like this write in your notebook. Okay? Yes. After one more work is here. अंग्रेजी, अंग्रेजी शब्द लिखो. अंग्रेजी शब्द लिखो. What do you mean by अंग्रेजी शब्द? अंग्रेजी means English. Okay? English. Write these words in English. Understood? Write these words in English. Okay. First word is sir. What is sir? Sir means what? Sir. In your one body part. Sir. Sir means head. Got the answer? Head. Okay. Then next one is gin. What is that means? Gin. Gin means count. Then guitar. What is guitar? One musical instrument, no? Guitar. Guitar, Hindi word and English word also guitar. Then takiya. What is takiya? Takiya means pillow. Understood? Then gilas. What do you mean by gilas? Anybody know? Gilas means glass. Then hiran. What is hiran? Now we written, no? Hiran. Hiran means deer. Then barish. Barish. What do you mean by barish? Yes. Rim jim barish. We study, no? Rain. Last word is shanivar. Shanivar. What is shanivar? Very good. Saturday. Shanivar means Saturday. Once more we read. Okay. Sir, head. Sir, head. Gin, count. Gin, count. Guitar, guitar. Takiya, pillow. Gilas, glass. Hiran, deer. Barish, rain. Shanivar, Saturday. Got? Once more read. Sir, head. Gin, count. Guitar, guitar. Takiya, pillow. Gilas, glass. Hiran, deer. Barish, rain. Shanivar, Saturday. Understood? No? These words and meanings. This also write in your notebook. Okay. This also, these words and meanings write in your notebook. Understood? Yes. Then next. Look in your textbook. Some works are here. In your textbook have some works. One picture, did you see one picture here? One bird picture. You want to color this picture. Now our third chapter is over. Iki matra over. Okay. Iki matra over. I will give some homework. Are you ready to write? Homework. Write in your notebook and show to me. Okay. Homework for put E symbol. Put E symbol. E symbol. I give without symbol some words. You want to add E symbol. Ready? First word is Shanvar. Shanvar, one symbol is missing here. E symbol is missing in this word. You want to correct it and write. Okay. The next one is Mattai. Mattai. Shanvar, Mattai, and Sayana. Sayana. One symbol is missing here. Correct it and write. Then Katab. Katab. Shanvar, Mattai, Sayana, Katab, and Picnic. Like this one word you study, no? Here one symbol is missing. You want to add and write, okay? Picnic. Picnic and Barish. Barish. That word is not correct. Barish. Then Satar. One musical instrument you study, no? Guitar and like that one word. Yes, Satar. Put a symbol and write. Okay. Then one more. Tucket. Okay. Don't look in your textbook and notebook. Without looking, you write the answers. Without looking, write the answers. Put the E symbol. First one, Shanvar. Second one, Mattai. Third one, Sayana. Fourth one, Katab. Picnic. Barish. Satar. Tucket. Everybody know this answer? This already you studied. Yes, write in your notebook and show. Okay. Throw that WhatsApp group, send to me. Okay, I will correct it. These answers, send it to my phone. Ready? Are you ready? Yes. Now we are first, second, third chapter over. First chapter Amatrik Shabd, second chapter A ki matra, third chapter E ki matra. That full completed. Completed, no, everybody? Everybody understood that chapters? Yes. Okay. That chapters study very well. Okay. Yes. Now I am going to stop my class. This do in your work. Okay. This homework they do and show to my WhatsApp. Okay. Ready? Okay. See you later.